For a lot of people that have been subscribing lately, so I haven't posted anything. I'm sorry about that. I had a little thing going on. I had stopped making videos into this channel because I was getting all my videos shut down all the time. I don't know why. So pretty much everything pretty good now. So I'm back on this channel. I'll make more videos. If you need anything, comment it below or email me. I'll send you the file through the email. Make sure you have it. You feel me? So I'm back again. So welcome back to King TJ Production channel. Today I was showing you how to download After Effects CCC 2019 on an iMac. So follow step by step, and I'll go pretty fast. So I hope you catch up. So I don't really like doing a lot of talking on the videos because I want to do all that. So if you need any help, comment below or email me. I'll leave my email under this. Email me and I'll gladly to help you out. So if you watch all this video, make sure this process works for you. And if you have issue downloading it, email me. I'll forward it to you. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Do it. I know. Do it. I'm looking at you. Why you didn't do it yet? Yeah, click it. Click it. Boom.
For you can't force me now. Awakening is clear. I could show you how. I could show you.